having our consultation with Bianca and diagnosing what the hair needs, we're going to be using the Silver shampoo and mask. This product line is specifically designed to neutralize yellow, brassy and warm tones within the hair. It is a product that can be used on blonde hair or naturally grey coloured hair also. The Silver shampoo is going to strengthen and restore moisture into the hair, adding softness and flexibility. Following this, by using the mask, we are going to repair any split ends or dry ends that there may be, as well as depositing the tone using the pigment in the product. One thing that's essential to note is when you're using these products on the hair, you can control how much you change the tone by the amount of time we leave the product on the hair. Should you wish to neutralize the tone a small amount, you can apply the products and remove and rinse straight away. If you wanted to control it by adding more of the pigmentation, neutralizing a more yellow and brassy tone, then you could leave the product on for around 3 to 5 minutes. We're now going to apply the Silver shampoo. This product is going to be perfect for neutralizing the warm and brassy tones. As with all of the L'Alga line, the product is complete and made up from the L'Alga Nord 5 complex, biotin and ingredients to deliver the conditioning agents to the hair. We're now going to apply the mask, perfect for blonde and grey hair, neutralizing yellow, brassy and warm tones and reviving the platinum tones in the hair. The mask repairs and restores any hair damage, giving moisture and adding softness and flexibility to the hair. We're now going to apply the Silver serum to the hair. When we apply this product, we are doing so as a styling and finishing serum. The benefits of this product is that it's going to add shine and softness to the hair, preventing any further yellowing and changing of the tone, protecting the hair from split ends, and shielding the hair from heat styling. This is a beautiful, soft, moisturizing product. As we've now dressed the hair out, taken out the clips that we used to set our blow dry, we're just going to use a small amount of the hair perfume, spritz it evenly throughout before shaking the hair to allow it to have the movement and freedom.